Welcome all to our channel GTech Fluent. Our today's topic number 7 in Angular 11 video tutorial series is template versus template URL. So as we already discussed in our previous video of component, we have discussed different object of the component decorator. And in this video, we will discuss one of the two important properties of the component decorator, that is template and template URL. So in Angular, we need to create the HTML or view to represent the data or accept the data from the user. So that template or the view we can create with the two type. The first we can create as an inline template, and second we can create as an external template. Let's first see what is meant by the inline template. So let's switch to the VS Code and see the practical of the inline and the external template. So we are in our project which we have created for this video tutorial series. So the inline templates that are directly specified inside the component decorator using the template property. That means we need to write the required HTML inside the TypeScript file. So if we expand the app folder, we have the app component created, and if you click on this to add the inline template in our TypeScript file, we need to use template property of component decorator. That means we need to write our required HTML inside our TypeScript file, and all our HTML like forms, controls, and the JavaScript should be added in line itself. So let's modify this and let's add some HTML content inside the template. So let's add some tag over here. Let's add content as welcome to Angular 11 template example. You can add any text as per your requirement. So now we have added our template or inline template for this particular component. You can add your own HTML content that may include your forms, controls, JavaScript, or anything. So let's run our application. To run our application, we need to use ng-serve command. Enter. So as we discussed in our previous tutorial, we have a default port that is localhost 4200 where our application is running. Let's open that. So if you look at this, we are getting the text which we have given the HTML content inside the template property of component decorator. Now let's see if we have a multi-line of content. For example, here we can use either single quote or the double quote here for the single content or the single line of content. But what happen if your content is multi-line? So for example, if you break this from here, you will get the compile time error. And if you use double quote also, so it will not work. So the solution for this problem or the error is we need to use the backstreak. So for it to resolve this, we need to use the backstreak here. Please keep in mind, if your content is multi-line, then you need to use this backstreak, then only your application will work. Otherwise, you will get the compile time error. So let's save this and see the result. So we must get the same result. Let's open the browser. Look, we are getting the same result. So the one thing we need to keep in mind, like if we have a HTML more than one line, then we have to use backstreak instead of single or double quote. So the one of the most important point we need to keep in mind while creating the inline template, if you find we don't have the intelligence available here, you don't have the code compilation, and you don't have the support for the code formatting feature for your inline templates. So as we are returning our code inside the TypeScript file, so your TypeScript file will get increase, and it will get the mixed with your HTML content as well as your code. So instead of using inline view or the inline template, in real-time application, we need to use the separate HTML file or the external template. So in real-time example or the real-time application, we are using the external template. So now let's see how to use that. So the external template defines in the HTML into the separate file and refer that file using the template URL property. So for that, we need to use the template URL property, and inside that we need to give the path of our HTML file. So when we create an application, Angular creates an HTML file with the same name of the component as the app.component.html within the app folder. So if you found we have the app.component.html file, so instead of using the internal, we can refer that file. So the for that file, so the path we need to give as a dot colon app dot component dot html. And if I save this, and we need to give the comma, and if I save this and open the browser, look, we are getting the HTML which is defined the app.component.html file. So you can use as per your requirement inline template or the external template. So if you want to add manually file into your project like HTML file, so you need to go to the app folder, right click on the app, create on the new file, and you need to give like app dot component dot, and you need to give the extension for that. As we already have this component, so it will not create, so I will not create this. So you can add manually that also into our application. So one of the important point we need to keep in mind, so like we have the IntelliJ support. So if you go to the HTML file, you can have like class, this class IntelliJ available. So here same, it is not available inside the inline one. Code compilation, then we can have the formatting, you can format the code inside the HTML file, and it will be the cleaner rather than like adding your HTML inside the component. So it is recommended by the Angular that create an external file instead of inline template for your complex HTML content. So it is recommended by the Angular team. So you need to create your external template instead of inline template. So if you have the requirement, like you need to display some single line content or till 5-line content, so you can go with the inline template. But your content or the requirement is a complex, so you need to go with the external template. So this is the two important properties of the component decorator, that is template and the template URL. So we can use accordingly as per our requirement. So please let us know if anyone has any query or doubt. We will meet in our next video. Thank you.